Hello everyone, Asher Cohen here.
And I'm Christopher Talley.
And we're with the BuyAZRE team at True Realty, and today we're excited to show you this great historic home that has totally been remodeled. This thing is beautiful. We are located just on the cusp of Coronado Historic District, specifically the Country Club Park. Come on in and take a look. The brand new upgrades include roof, HVAC, electric panel, sewer line, windows, flooring, lighting, and much, much more. The open kitchen features quartz counters, large island with custom wood high top bar, gas range, hood, stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinets, and spacious pantry. Additionally, the master suite features dual sinks, glass enclosed shower, separate tub, and walk-in closet. Step outside and enjoy an easy maintenance yard with covered patio and plenty of room to add a pool. Located in the desirable Coronado Historic District, specifically the Country Club Park, featuring many eateries, shopping, golf, and easy freeway access. Overall, this home is move-in ready, so come make Country Cottage your home today.
Thanks for taking a tour with us. And if you have any questions about this home or any other historic home in the area, please contact the BuyAZRE Real Estate team at True Realty.
And remember, love where you live.